Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I just uploaded last week vlog, and yeah, so we're starting off today's vlog. Now it's actually hope you guys can see that. Yep, it's 5:23. So yeah, I did a lot today. I did a lot of cleaning. I'm not sure if you guys are hearing me, but hopefully you guys are hearing me. But I did a lot of cleaning, so I really didn't want to include that in today's vlog because it's kind of repetitive, because every time you guys see me, I'm cleaning. It's you know, the kids' life, mom life. And I'm kind of testing out this foundation for today just to see how I like it. Yes, and my hair was in a bun all day today. I know, but I think that foundation is kind of dark, be honest. Yeah, it is. Anyway, so we're gonna go into time lapse. You watching me, you know, take out clothes, put in clothes, all of that. I am in my bathroom, and I'm just going to close off today's vlog because for one, I have an exam, a final exam to do. It's a 2-hour exam, so I have to complete that, and I also have one to study for Thursday. So this week might not be such a, you know, a good vlog, but hey, it's the most you're gonna get out of me because I'm really surprised by myself even showing so much on it, because I did a lot of cleaning. It's just put in a dryer. You saw that, right? Hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna take care of all of that so that tomorrow we have a very fresh. I'm gonna do my nails tonight. You see how much stuff I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do all of this. I'm gonna jump right into nails, so you may see that clip. I'm gonna go do my nails right now because this ain't it. Hey guys.
And then a company will start manufacturing contour products, sculpting products.
Yeah, listening to Jackie Aina. So the last clip you saw was me doing my nails and trash. However, I'm getting ready for work. There was a storm today from Wednesday into Thursday, so girl, I tell them I won't be able to make it in. Plus I couldn't make it in because it was hella snow everywhere. Okay, so now I'm kind of just getting ready for bed and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna tie my hair down because tomorrow I'm gonna wear it in a bun, you know, make it look cute and professional. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow I'm gonna pop back in because I really miss what, Tuesday, Wednesday, I believe. So no more school and I'm so excited. You know, I'm really excited, so
Hurry up.
I'll definitely see you guys in the next clip, which will be tomorrow. I'll be dropping the kids off to go to work, and then yeah, the struggle is, it's gonna be rough because there's a ton of snow out there and I have to drive. About to leave work, guys. I have a little story to tell you. I almost crashed into a sidewalk with a ton of snow because the ice is black ice on the road. So what happened was, like, when I turned, it was like an intersection. So when I turned, my car was just sliding, and then I had to like and then to bring it back around to slide to the other side. And then it got a grip on the asphalt, and then I was able to like, I was like, shit, bro, snow, it, don't play with the snow. No, bro, no. It is not to be played with. However, I'm gonna drive off now, so I'm gonna stop the vlogging here because the road is very slippery. I'm gonna pick up my kids and then head home. Today is Friday, and I don't know if I'm gonna cook today. Shit, bitch. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning and it's 8:38. You know, I'm heading to work. I always go in at 9 most days, like every day. But yeah, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing me because for some reason, oh, don't come out, do not come out, do not, me said, the people just act like them in a race more than anybody else, and every morning me have to friggin' argue with myself, obviously. But you guys are here now, so I can. But every day, like, them in a more rush. If you are gonna late, just leave out early. Oh god, the camera turned. Camera like shit, bitch. I'm tired. Alright. So now that we're able to, like, just, because I'm at work now, so I have a couple of oh, I need to do my health check. However, I'm gonna do my health check because we have to do that. Alright, you're going inside. Hey Google, health check. Hello my Google. So I'm doing my health check for work. Come on Google, not this page, not the main page. But yeah, so I just want to say, for this week vlog, there's not much, and the vlog may be ending here because tomorrow I don't have anything doing than just coming on the camera and talking like, oh, I'm gonna do this, and I just feel like that's not fun. I don't like vlogs like that. but whatever. I did my makeup today, and I'm wearing the Mented lip gloss with another lip gloss and liner, and also a Benefit bronzer. And you saw the sun that said we good. Can't clock me. Liking Mented products lately. They're really good products, guys. Really good products. People be sleeping on them, but they're really good, especially for women of color. Really good. Don't sleep on them. And you know, we black people, we love to sleep on our own, but don't sleep on them. Check them out, guys. A minute. So I'm just gonna go in right now. I'm so short. Well, I'm not that short. I'm 5'4", so I'm not that short. But I do have to pull my seat up to be able to see. Yeah, so I'm going to head in now, so I'll see you guys in the next clip with me heading home. I might stop and shop. No, it's definitely stop and shop. Couldn't be shop and stop. After you shop, where would you stop? So it's definitely stop and shop. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, and I did do my nails over because I got some new products, so don't think I saw some random videos from yesterday me flinging at the clip. Oh no, I did change my nails again because it's Christmas and I wanted some nice rich color. Plus I bought some new gel polish and some nail polish business, and I wanted to test them out last night because I was really excited about it. They're not polished well. I suck at polishing. I suck at polishing. But oh god, see how chip off. Oh god. Suck at polishing. Hey guys, so we're gonna end today's vlog, and I'm ending it with some good old kombucha, if that's the name. This is the bubbly rose, and I love it so much. I drank the cleanse one last night. It was really good too. I really like it. And also I was able to do my nails today. Yep, I did like 3 times for this week. How I find the time? No school, that's what it is. However, if you're new to this channel, remember to
like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and type in the comments how you like this video to see more of my mom's videos.
You know, he always wanted to say that. I didn't tell him to say it. But yeah, guys, I'll see you next week in week 4 vlog. That's when Christmas and all that. So hopefully I have a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, I'm pretty bored. I look so rough. What else I do to my hair? You know, stop on Mr. Chin and see where am I going with, because I'm too pricey from Canon.